Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restrict group chats in Messenger. So let's get right into it. So guys, in Messenger, you will not be able to find any of option for restriction on any group chat. So we will go with Facebook Lite app. So guys, once you've opened your account, then you have to go with messages. Select the group you want to restrict. Then you have to go on settings, which is top right corner of the screen, and then you have to go down and here you will see report. Select any of member from here. Then go with scams. Now you have to hit on submit report. And then you have to hit on mute conversation. Select the option which is your right one. And then you have to hit on OK. After that you have to go with done. And that's it guys. How to restrict group chat on Messenger. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.